This is the new 2005 Escalade. Oh, it's sitting in the sand. Okay. As you see, there's no lights on the dash anywhere. No check engine light. No nothing. They do have a service tire monitor light for one of the TPMS sensors. Couldn't think for a second. I've been up since, oh geez, nobody's ever reset these. No. Show me the tire pressures. Sure it is. Tire pressures. No. Left front tire, 0 psi. All the tires are pumped up and they work just fine. So looks like the two, all of them need TPMS sensors. I think I'll go to take this thing to Discount Tire and let them rebuild them. They usually work like that. But as you see, this one's got the touch screen. It's got the nav, but there's no disc for it. So you press it, no map disc. So nav's useless until somebody comes up with a disc for it. It's got the 6-disc changer, just like our other two. Nothing in there. It's dirty. It definitely needs a cleaning. I'll vouch for that. It's got tinted windows already, but tint's got picks out of it. Well, there's a spot, just one little spot you can see right there on that side. Electric mirrors work fine. It's got front and rear air. And the sunroof. And it works just like it should. Now, they pulled the material off of it, but if you look here real close, it still looks like there's some material there. So I'm going to cheat. I'm going to do just like I did with my red Silverado. I'm going to scrub all this stuff off to where all you see is that pattern. And then I'm going to paint it the same color as the headliner. You'll never know the difference. And it's also got a DVD player. I know it says parental controls are on, but captain's chairs, floor's all nasty, needs a desperate cleaning. Third row seat, looks like all that seat ever had in it was a car carrier. Got speakers all the way back, front and rear air. Oh, I just noticed that there's no antenna. The antenna is actually on that rear window. Interesting. And the roof raises up in the back for people that sit in the third row. It's also got a subwoofer back there that I hadn't recognized before. Yeah, I went to the store. Got another little story for you that'll come up in the next video. Life got really interesting. You can look up the number 3463-5558 on Copart. You ain't gonna get it. This is it. I got it. Title and everything. So I got it from the Savannah auction, Savannah Copart, and came down and picked it up and had a little incident. Just a minor delay in my trip. But that'll be the next video. I'm trying to think of what else. Oh, this thing runs and drives great, but for some reason that blend door, I think it needs replaced because it won't blow directly out of here. It'll blow out of the dash on the window and it blows onto the floor. It does have posi-track, or traction control rather, and the parking sensors. The only thing this truck does not have that mine does is all-wheel drive. And it's got all kinds of stuff that mine don't, like the touchscreen radio, the sunroof, and the DVD, which none of that's really all that important to me. But the one thing that is important to me that I don't have that this one does is the air conditioner. Now, it's 108 with the heat index. It's actually only, I think she said 105 here today. And 100% humidity, so we're roasting, and I feel sorry for the people that are out here working. But anyway, that's pretty much the long and short of it. I mean, is it a super clean, really nice Escalade? Not particularly, but it'll do. I mean, oh, I wonder if that'll help. Had it on 74. I didn't have it on 60. Of course, it's still not coming out the blend door, but it is cooler in here anyway. I've got the one up here on 66. And I can't tell if there's a... Oh, those are brighter than mine. Something else this one has that mine don't. Those. And some genius has got these shut, probably because of the baby seat that was over here. Open them jewels up. Yep. So now it ought to cool down in here a lot faster. Of course, I'm sitting under a shade tree too. But anyway, that's pretty much it. I've got some people asking me questions I need to respond to, so I'm going to go ahead and shut this down, and I'll explain in the next video what kind of fun morning I've had. I'll talk to you again soon. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.